R-U-N, author. That spent a very long time writing and editing a book, but doesn't know how to publish a book. If that's you, make sure you watch this video till the end. Search up Amazon. Scroll down to bottom and click Independently Publish with us. Sign in or create an account. Please consider buying my book link in the description. Click Create. Then Paperback. Now fill out the information. Once you're okay with the settings, click Save and Continue. Now fill out the next page. Now upload your manuscript as a PDF. Wait for it to load. Uploading the cover may be harder. Search up KDP paperback cover template. Click this one here. Fill out and download. Now search up Canva. Log in or sign up with Google. Answer the questions. Put 13.35 times 9.25 inches. Upload your images, then scale them. When done, download as a PDF. Upload your cover page image. Let it upload. Uploading may take long. Make sure to launch Previewer. Now you can look through your book. Approve when done. Now check your printing cost and continue. Now you can adjust the pricing. Now publish your book. I hope this video helped. Please consider subscribing and checking out my book in the description below.